OpenAI just announced the biggest update to ChatGPT since GPT-5, and this time, it's turning ChatGPT into a full app platform. Introducing apps in ChatGPT and the brand new Apps SDK. For the first time ever, you can chat directly with apps like Spotify, Figma, Coursera, Booking.com, Canva, Expedia, and Zillow right inside ChatGPT. You don't need plugins. You don't need browser extensions. These apps appear naturally in your conversation when you need them most. Here's what that means. If you're planning a vacation and tell ChatGPT, find hotels near Venice with sea views, ChatGPT can automatically surface the Booking.com or Expedia app right inside your chat. You'll see listings, maps, and prices all in one conversation. If you're brainstorming a presentation, you can say, "Hey Canva, turn this outline into a slide deck," and it'll instantly open a visual canvas in ChatGPT. Or maybe you're studying a topic on Coursera, and while watching the lesson, you can ask ChatGPT to explain a concept in real time without leaving the video. These apps feel like extensions of the chat, not separate tools. That's the power of this update. ChatGPT is no longer just an AI assistant, it's an ecosystem. Developers can now build these chat-integrated apps using the new Apps SDK, which launches today in preview. The SDK is open source, built on top of the Model Context Protocol or MCP, the same open standard that lets ChatGPT connect to external tools and data. With this, developers can design both the logic and the interface of their apps connecting directly to their backends, enabling login, and even premium features for users. For example, Zillow partnered early and called it a conversational guide that makes real estate feel more human. You can now browse homes and explore neighborhoods all through dialogue, with an interactive map embedded right in the chat. And OpenAI isn't stopping there. Later this year, they're adding 11 more partners, including Uber, Instacart, Target, TripAdvisor, Peloton, Thumbtack, The Fork, Khan Academy, DoorDash, AllTrails, and OpenTable. This means you'll soon be able to order dinner with DoorDash, book a ride with Uber, make a restaurant reservation with OpenTable, plan a hike with AllTrails, or buy from Target, all inside ChatGPT. This update is going to fundamentally change how we use the web. Instead of opening 10 tabs, you'll just talk to your apps. From a developer's point of view, this is also huge. The Apps SDK gives access to 800 million ChatGPT users instantly. You can start building now in developer mode, test your apps, and later submit them for publication once OpenAI opens the app directory. There's also a monetization layer coming soon powered by the new Agentic Commerce Protocol, which will allow instant checkout inside ChatGPT. And of course, safety and privacy have been baked in. Every app must comply with OpenAI's usage policies, include a clear privacy policy, and explicitly ask for permission before connecting. You can control which data categories each app can access and revoke them anytime. So in short, ChatGPT just became the new App Store. But instead of icons on a screen, you'll find your apps through conversation. The age of talking to your tools is officially here. If you found this update as groundbreaking as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this is just the beginning of a completely new way to interact with software.